Possible. Today, I want to talk about someone who had a big impact on my life. Aku Karakter. I knew him personally. I lived with him for more than 10 years, beginning when I was a little child. He wasn't just someone I heard about, he was a part of my life. He was like a teacher to me. He taught me why he believed it was important to stand up for Tibet's independence and to care about the Tibetan people. He always spoke with kindness and wanted us to understand his beliefs. He was also a very kind person. Whenever he traveled to protest or elsewhere, he would always bringing back small gifts. Those gifts made me happy. But what I remember most is that he's a man who did not give up on what he fought for. His decision to set himself on fire was a tragic act of protest. He hoped it would bring attention to the struggles of the Tibetan people. While many people have different views about his actions, I remember first as a caring, generous, and thoughtful person who would give up everything for Tibet to be free. I feel grateful that I had a chance to know him, and I will always remember his kindness and the lessons he taught me and the way he cared for others. He and other Tibetans who did the act of protesting through self-immolation did not only do this for the freedom of their nation, they also did it for the younger Tibetan generation, so that in the future they could have a place to call home. The sacrifice is a direct call to action for all of us. As the youth, we hold the future of Tibet in our hands, and we must find the courage to stand up, speak out, and proudly preserve our language and keep our rich culture alive every single day, and continue the fight for our country's freedom. We will never forget where we come from, and we'll never stop fighting for our homeland. Big